My name is Siti Mara. So now, by the way, I'm a nursing student at Unika Musikaritas Palembang. My video this time, I will discuss what is happening again in the world. Namely is COVID-19. I wonder how the video it was and not be watched. The corona or COVID-19 spread of the virus that has not found the antidote until now are controlled. Already 200 more countries in the world have reported cases of exposure to the coronavirus. The initial symptom of a coronavirus infection or COVID-19 can be flu-like symptoms, shock and fever, runny nose, dry cough, sore throat, and hand change. After that, symptoms can worsen. Patients can experience high fever, cough with leg and even bleeding, shortness of breath and chest pain. This is a suspicion the coronavirus was initially transmitted from animal to human. However, it was later discovered that the coronavirus was also transmitted from human to human. A person can get COVID-19 already was namely accidentally it has saliva splashed from sneezing or coughing suffers of COVID-19. How to the amount of nose with hand washing and first after touching an object affected by saliva splash of COVID-19 suffers. Close contact with people with COVID-19, shake and touching or shaking hands. Coronavirus can infect anyone, but the effect will be more dangerous or even fatal if it occurs in elderly people, pregnant women, people who are sick, smokers, or people whose immune system are weak. Excessive smoking so that vulnerable to a virus, do not use a mask of antiseptic material if traveling. Not diligent in washing hands. Not maintaining a healthy body already exercising. After knowing the danger of symptom coronavirus, then we have come to corona. See how to overcome the following coronavirus. Number one, this is don't travel outside the city or go abroad. And number two, and consuming vitamin to maintain endurance. Do not touch the eye, mouth, and nose before washing hands. Avoid contact with animals, especially with animals. In case of contact with animal, wash your hand afterwards. Cook the meat until it is completely cooked before consumption. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze, then throw the tissue in trash. Avoid being close to people who are sick with a fever, cough, or runny nose. Keep clean objects that are often touched and environmental cleanliness. Diligent hand washing with soap. Wash clothes or objects with detergent or by clean. So it is better now to follow the government instruction not to go anywhere so we can break the chain of this virus and while maintaining health. Maybe that's all I can share with all my friends, and I want to say thank you and see you. Bye bye.